Hi, we're back again with another video. Today we are going to be trimming our roots. So we have our visitor, our little helper today here. She's playing with her fun toy. But we're going to be trimming our roots on the garden. So as you can see, we are at, well, you can't see that, but I'm just letting you know we're at day 30. And on day 30, you trim the roots and you see what's going on in there. I had a little root incident, and whoop, this plant right here started the same day. See the difference in growth? Big difference in growth. Completely different look. Same plant, different growth. So I went and I said, what's going on here? I pulled out these two. See how green these two are. How luscious and pretty these two. It don't even look like a real. This plant doesn't even look real. Right here. I can't believe it. Both of them had their roots in this one, and it was stunning its growth. So the other day I pulled the root out, but I didn't fully tuck it in or do the entire root trimming because I knew that was like 2 days ago. I was going to come back to do it today to do all the plants. So we are going to go through them today and see what we find. So I'm going to record the whole time, but if I find something cool, yeah, ooh, I'm gonna then I'll share it with you guys. But this is the reason why we do our root organization and making sure, checking on the roots, making sure they're healthy, making sure they're good, and making sure they're clean. All right, so we're gonna, and I'm gonna, there we go. That's our little helper of the day, and we're gonna go through the roots and see how they are doing. Now I'm gonna lower this on the shortest setting because I don't know, for some reason I have it to my height, but the garden isn't really that tall. It's not as tall as it seems. So let's get started. I know these roots are a problem, so let's see what we got going on in here. Oh, this is the nursery, but you're not a nursery anymore. You're a big girl, so let's leave the nursery. Drop the nursery cover. Leave the nursery cover on. These plants are going to go into our garden unboxing. No! Yes. She's also at the no phase. You want to hold this? Are you going to help out? All right. You're going to spritz the plants, okay? We got our little... So this is our cilantro. It's growing in fine. The roots are all in the container. So this is one that doesn't need too much any trimming or anything. Here that the roots are, just growing in. They're against the wall. They're very small. There you go. So you can see that. And then, let me turn the light for myself. Okay. And then here we don't have any growth on top. This is very low humidity right now. So this is our flashy lettuce. This is how it's doing. It's so full I can't even read the thing. We're checking in here. The roots aren't growing out of control. They are growing out of the container, but when they are, we just put them right back in. If they're very long, we cut them, but as long as they can fit inside, you tuck them back in. You tuck them back in and put them back in the thing. So I'm kind of doing this on the camera, being very gentle here. So we're just going to tuck this inside. Make sure they're all in. And then we just put them back in the pod. So I'm going to go through and do all the roots like this. I'm only going to show you guys a couple more examples, maybe a really long one. And then we will see. Yes, another one. Ooh, it looks so pretty, so green, so healthy. It's so luscious. And let's see what's going on back here. Similar, we're going to have to tuck these roots in. There's a lot of roots. Well, the plants are growing, so let's tuck these roots back in their little section, and we're going to move on. So we got it in here. If they're too big to fit in there, then we do some cutting. But this is only day 30, so I don't think that it's going to be. I had to also show you this red mustard. This one is, I think this is the longest. It's won the prize so far. Look how long these roots are. They are very healthy. Long, red mustard, beautiful. Ooh, looks a little pinky. That's all for our root reviewing today, and I will talk to you guys next time. Stay green.